Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located over 7-foot knoll, moving northeast at 15 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater in waterspouts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: motors and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Locations of hazards include 7-foot knoll, Towchester Beach, and Rock Hall. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately.